Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Fagazile did what Ufagazile needed to do. Ukro made sure that she has a bracelet or a belt that she put around her kids so that every time or everywhere they go, she's able to see them. The kids are unaware of this, but Yenanje, she's just playing at it. However, it looks like the words of Unqubeko saying, my wife, athi unomusa usase umfazi wami or unomusa umfazi wami, did not sit well with Ugirl. Why? Because she even related the whole narrative to umakazi. If it was okay bengeke ayirelate to umakazi waze washo wathi makazi laba bayithu bangahle babuyelane nje angisamthembi nje uNqubeko when it comes to unomusa, meaning Ugirl is like low-key insecure because I think Uti she has come to the realization ukuthi uNqubeko akana backbone when it comes to both of them, being her no Musa. So we always thought ukuthi no, akamthanda uNomusa, uthanda uFakazile, this and that, this and that. This is the time where uNqubeko should stand with uFakazile, where umuntu omele ayejele akayejele because vele uyenza into wrong. However, it looks like uGuy now sekayamzwela ngale. Will this hinder their relationship though? Or will they soldier on? Will their love nje just surpass all these issues? With that said, umshengu-ke yena uyadrawna ama-sorrows, uqabanga amalanga amnandi noma amchunu, uqabanga amalanga abuhlungu noma amchunu, but bottom line, uGuy nje is going through the most. Yabona bathi umgowisho, hayi shem ugowisho kundlula kwamina. Alright, aqabange yonke lento leyo, agcine akhiye ishaba snacks, agcine akhiye on the rocks, athi ngithi akho muntu osondelayo. At this point, there's no access for anyone between the three boys to On the Rocks. There's no access for them to ishaba snacks. Hayi bahambe bahlala noFakazile phansi bathi 1+1 ibanike u2 and lo 2 loyo bathi umshengu akaphumi umshengu. At that time umshengu akanandaba athi if you don't listen, these are the consequences. These are the consequences of not listening. Will they take him out? And if they do, who will finally be the CEO of Shaba Snacks? Will it continue to be Uma Billion or Uma Million rather, Udonga Gamavuso? Or will Unqubeko finally find the position and the seat that he's always been longing for? Or will Ufakazile as Umakoti rise through to the throne? I asazi, but now the whole chair is between these three. And what are the ways that or tactics that they will use to kick Umshengu out, considering ukuthi Umshengu will not go out of Shaba Snacks without a fight, and this idea might not easily work as they have planned.